Right guys and girls, well, here we go, another cleaning video. We've not done one for a couple of months, so I thought we would take advantage of this one that's been brought in and do a video on it. It's a 2012 Range Rover Evoque and it's absolutely horrible in there, so it is. But on the outside, we'll start on the outside. I mean, you can tell like it's not had a wash for a long time on the outside. Just look at that up there. But then again, it is winter time, so you kind of expect the outside to be a bit filthy. Looking at the wheels though, they're kind of leave more clues as to how long it's been since this car was last given a proper wash. I mean, those wheels haven't been cleaned for I don't know how long. They've certainly not had a proper clean for a long time. Moving on, I mean, it's just, you can tell it's had a hard life, this car. It's got scuffs and scrapes all over it. It's my job just to sort of tidy it up, really. It's never going to be a minter, but look, more car part things and stuff like that. But on the inside, as usual, is where they start getting filthy. I mean, bear in mind, this is a Range Rover. It's a lovely car, this, and it's just been driven right into the ground, so it has. Right along like the edge of the seats and stuff. We've obviously had a dog in it, because there's a lot of dog hair kicking about. The carpets on it are filthy. We've got some sort of cigarette burns and stuff there as well. Nothing I can do about those. The seats are shiny. That's grease and stuff that's on the seats, for people sweating and that, basically. They shouldn't be like that. Leather seats should be nice, sort of satin at best. They certainly shouldn't be glossy and shiny like that. Kick marks on the doors and stuff like that, and the cup holders. I mean, look at that, that's absolutely vile, isn't it? Surprised there's not bugs and stuff kicking about in there. Greasy food stuff's all spilt over every surface on it. Fingerprints, and there's nothing wrong with fingerprints, it's just it's the volume of the grease build up that's on it. It's absolutely horrible. In the boot, I don't know what's going on here. I mean, at first when I opened the boot I thought it had been on fire actually, but it hasn't. It's actually, something's been spilled on here. I'm not sure what has been spilled on there, but something has, and I basically this bit here is pretty much ruined in all honesty, but we'll try and clean it anyway. I don't think we'll be able to do much with it though. And then and the edges and stuff is all filthy in there, as you can see. Moose's wee spider senses are going absolutely nuts. And then again, same round here, dog hair and grime all over the place. We've got spillages and stuff on the carpet, and it's just, it is absolutely filthy in here. Oh, seat's going forward automatic. See, Range Rover, cool as. Anyway, guys and girls, it's my job. The rear view mirror's just lying on the back seat. It's been pulled off. See that? It's just neglect, that really, isn't it? Nice car. The leather on the back seats is actually all pulled off as well. See that? All pulled up. Just ruined. It's a shame, because nice cars like this deserve to be looked after, but some people have just got too much money. Anyway, let's get on with it. Let's crack on and see if we can get it looking any cleaner.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. ISO. I played a cut with my homies, dressed in all black and we cozy. Can't say you love, you gotta show me. I ain't with my guys, then I'm dolly. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me.
Man's them moving too shaky, acting sus for no reason. Still do the dash like Stacy with a city girl, it's that season. She wanna ride this all-wheel drive, you don't gotta put no key in. We on a rise like emoji eyes, you know that they be preying. Stashing the guap, setting up shop. I got a plan, is you ready or not? Puffing this plant, rising my stock, force on my hand, they moving wide. Don't gotta scam, don't gotta hop. I turn styles, screw it and chop. Shout out big bro, he call me Ock, keeping it safe, we got it on lock. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work it. She got that soul food, I'm soul food. She get busy for certain. This is a whole mood like O2. I told Missy to work it. She got that soul food, I'm soul full. She get busy for certain.
Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me. We in the spot, thuggin' like Pac, kicking in doors, you know we don't knock. She wanna dance, do a TikTok, she making a move, she making it drop. We set the mood, pull up and eat all your food. Ooh, 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 how can we lose? Blessings keep coming in twos. Ay, you do or you don't, you will or you won't. Hop in the phantom, then I go ghost. They doing the most, they watch what you post. Liking our picture, she like how I post. They saying we goes, Kobe on go, playing the cut, just me and my woes. We getting high to balance the lows, you hear the flows. I need my ducks in a row, yeah. Coming up fast, I thought we was moving too slow, no. Making a killing, cause we keep selling these clothes, yeah. It's ISO, I ain't gon' tell you no more, just me and my bro, ayy. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. Ain't no vibe like this, they don't rock like this, and you know we don't miss. Swish, they don't catch my drift, tell them I ain't they biz, or catch my bitch. I'm in a cut with my homies, I'm in a cut with my homies. Show no love to the police, show no love to the phonies. No love, no love. She wanna come to my homie, she wanna ride like a pony. Better pay up if you owe me, don't come around like you know me.
So guys and girls, there we go, that's another one, and it's not amazing, don't get me wrong, but it's a lot better than what it was when it came in. I mean, inside it was grease everywhere inside. It smelled like a McDonald's bin in there. It was absolutely flipping grim. Anyway, the customer, I don't know how he's ended up with the car, but he wanted it clean. It wasn't his mess. I think he's just bought the car like that, and he wanted to spend 100 quid just to kind of bring it up. So we've done the best we can for that price. Basically, it was a 3-hour sort of turnaround that. So I think it was okay. Sometimes you'll get these dirty cars and you clean them and there's a diamond in the rough, do you know, under all the dirt, and they come out really nice. Well, this is the total opposite, this one. This is more of a rough diamond sort of thing. But it is what it is. The customer's happy with it. I'm happy with what I've done for the cost, and that is the main thing. So I hope you enjoyed that wee video. Something wasn't as in depth as some of my videos, I grant you that, but I thought it was just worthy of a wee video. Anyway, my wee question at the end of this video was, I don't think I've done this one before, or if I have, it's been a long time ago, and there's a lot of new subscribers as well. So, what was your first car, guys and girls? If you let me know in the comments below, I read all the comments. Even if I can't respond to them all, I do read them all. Let me know what your first car was and what one of your fondest memories of it is. Does it remind you of somebody? Does it remind you of a certain time of your life? Let me know in the comments below. And also, if you've got any suggestions or anything like that, put them in the comments as well. Thanks very much for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe if you don't mind. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.